Friends, welcome to my channel NCRT 6th class chapter 6. Our country India. India is a country of vast geographical expanse. In the north, it is found by the lofty Himalayas, the Arabian Sea in the west. Arabian Sea कहाँ पे west पे? The Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Indian Ocean in the south was the source of the Indian Peninsula. India has an area about 3.8 million square kilometer. India has an area of about 3.8 million square kilometer. The north-south extent from Ladakh to Kanyakumari is about 32 kilometer, and the east-west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is about 29 kilometer. The lofty Himalaya, the Great Indian Desert, the northern plains, the uneven plateau surface, and the coast and island present in diversity of land forms. There is a great variety in the climate, vegetation, and as a wildlife, as well in the language and culture. In the diversity, we find unity that is reflected in traditions. The blind us as a one nation. India has a population of more than 120 crores since the year 2011. It is the second most populous country of the world after China. Location setting. India is located in the northern hemisphere. India is located in the northern hemisphere. The tropic of Cancer 23-degree 88 passes almost halfway through the country. Figure 6.0 from south to north. Mainland of India extend between 8.4 north and 37.6 north latitude. From west to east, India extends between 68.7 and 97 long. If we divided the world into the eastern and western hemisphere, which hemisphere would India belong to? Due to a great longitude extent of about 29 degree, there could be wide difference in local time places located at two extreme point of India. As such, a difference between these two. Do you know large countries which stretch expensive from east to west do not have a single standard time for the whole country. The USA and Canada have 7 and 6 time zones respectively. Do you remember how many time zones are there in the Russia? Point would be about 2 hours. As you have learned earlier, the local time changed by the 4 minute for every 1 degree of longitude. The sun rises about 2 hours earlier in the east. Arunachal Pradesh, then in the west Gujarat. You have already read earlier why the local time or longitude of 8 degree 30 degrees has been taken as the Indian Standard Time. The meridian or longitude is also termed as the standard or meridian of India. India's neighbors countries. चुप अरे India's neighbors. There are 7 countries that share boundaries with India. Find out the names: Afghanistan, Pakistan, Tibet, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, India. Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. वो आपने देश India political map: Ladakh, Pakistan, Jaipur, Srinagar, Himachal Pradesh, Dehradun, Chandigarh, Punjab, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, लखनऊ बिहार की राजधानी पटना असम ईटानगर अरुणाचल प्रदेश बिहार झारखंड रांची वेस्ट बंगाल कोलकाता मध्य प्रदेश भोपाल राजस्थान जयपुर गांधीनगर गुजरात दादर नगर हवेली महाराष्ट्र of these countries from the figure 6.1, how many of these countries do not have access to any oceans or sea? Across the sea to the south lies our island neighbors, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by the Pak state political administration division. India is vast country for administration purpose. The country is divided into 28 28 state and 8 union territories. Delhi is the national capital. Delhi is the national capital. The state have been formed mainly on the basis of language. Alluvial deposit. These are very fine soil brought by river and deposit in the river basin. Tributaries क्या होती हैं? River or stream which contribute its water to main river by discharging into the main river from the other side. Peninsular division. India is marked by diversity of physical features such as the mountain, plateau, plains, coast, and island. Standing as a sentence in the north are the lofty snow-capped Himalayas. Him plus Alai mean the above of snow. The Himalaya mountains are divided into three main parallel ranges. The northernmost is the Great Himalaya or Himadri. The world highest peak or located in the range Middle Himalaya or Himachal lies the South Himadri. Many popular hill stations are situated here. Find out the names of 5 hill stations. The Sivalik is the southernmost range of the northern Indian plain, lie to the south of the Himalayas. They are generally level and flat. These are formed by the alluvial deposit laid down by the rivers, the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, and the tributaries. These river plains provide fertile land for cultivation. That is the reason for high concentration of population of these plains. In the western part of India lies the Great Indian Desert. In the western part में ये जो western part है, in the western part of India lies the Great Indian Desert. It is a dry, hot and sandy stretch of land. It is has very little vegetation. यहाँ पे बहुत ही कम vegetation है. To the south, northern plains lies the Peninsular Plateau. It is a triangle shape. कैसे triangle shape? The relief is highly uneven. This is the region with numerous hill regions and valleys. Aravalli Hills, one of the oldest range. Aravalli जो hills है one of the oldest range of the world. Border it to the northwest side. The Vindhyachal and Satpura are the important range. The river Narmada and Tapti flow through these range. These are west following rivers. ये कैसी हैं? जो west की तरफ following rivers होती हैं that drain into the Arabian Sea. The Western Ghat or Sahyadri border plateau is the west and eastern Ghat provide the eastern boundary, while the western Ghat are almost continuous. The eastern Ghat are broken, uneven. The plateau is rich in mineral like coal, iron ore. To the west of Western Ghat or east of Eastern Ghat in the coastal plain. The Western